Okay, we have a 5-mark question now on numbering. So find the numbered list below the heading Taj Mahal timings and tickets. That's here. So I'm going to select that in the left margin. What we need to do now is make sure to select the whole list. Define a new multi-level list. So the new multi-level list will be here. We've got our bullets and we've got our numbering. So our multi-level list option is here, and then it says define new multi-level list here. So we must do that. That's what the question says. Now we can look at what's going on. So we can see how this looks. Do not change the indent and text position of first level numbering. Right. So let's look at first level numbering before. You can see both of these are second level numbering, and see how this looks. So at the moment you can see that it's Roman numerals, small case. So we need to change that. The number style is here. So we just click on that and change it to 1. You'll notice the 1 is in grey. That means it's a field. That means it changes for every number, obviously. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. But the other thing that doesn't change is this dot, and I don't want a dot. I want a bracket. So I'm going to delete that and put in my bracket there. So it should look the same. Let's just check. It looks like it's the same type of formatting. I didn't have to change anything else. Again, selecting the whole list. I'm going to go back to my multi-level list, define new multi-level list. My information is still there that I've done. So now we're going to go to level 2. We have to make sure we're on the right level here first, of course. Now what do we need to do for level 2? So it's A is correct. We want it to be A. But again, we've got a full stop that we need to change into a bracket. So let me do that quickly. And then it tells us other things at the bottom here that we need to do. Set the alignment of the second level numbering to 0.7. So what I'm going to do here is just delete this and do 0.7, and then indent the text of the second level numbering to 1.5. So text indent at 1.5. So I just need to change that 1.5. Now, if you don't have that information, you can just click more. Sometimes it's there if you've used it before. If not, you'll have to click the more or less button. I always click the more button just so I have everything available to see, and that should be correct. Alright, so the only thing we've got to do now to make this look like this is define these 3 lines as second level. So again, I'm going to go to the left margin and I'm going to select those 3 lines, and then how we do that is we just move it by using the increase indent button. So we click that, and then we should see that everything is exactly as it's been asked to be in the question. 5 marks.